wabarakatuh. Okay guys, today welcome back to my channel. For the viewers, I will share new knowledge for you. That's like the previous video using a physical mode, and then all of this video will use it of a protocol. And also, yeah, enjoy the video. How the configuration is can successfully running. Okay, and then guys, first I want to show you in the logical mode. This the topology, and here is area 1, and the right side is the area 2, and then this server. Okay, for the first, you should to uh, connect area 1 and area 2 to be a communication, and then for area 1 cannot ping to the server, but still can access. Okay, you go to the basic physical, and the first we will connect switch to the PC using rollover. This Ethernet one, and then connect to the router. Yes, sorry, PC one, and then PC 0. Tell all. Okay, and then for the next, uh, for the switch one, go to this PC. Wait. Okay, this for the switch. Okay. And then the last for the area 2, the last PC. Yeah, we connect to the fast Ethernet for. Okay, we check overall PC already connect, yeah, with the cable crossover. Okay, for the next, we connect this straight cable using the gigabit Ethernet 1 for the gigabit Ethernet 1 in the router first, and then to connect router first and router second using gigabit Ethernet 0, and then for the connect uh, right the router 2 to the router 3 using the gigabit Ethernet 1. This gigabit Ethernet 0 connect the router 3 for the router 4, and then for the router 4 connect to the switch is use the router uh wait gigabit Ethernet 1 also. And for this router you turn off first, and then add the GLTT, and then go to here to add the gigabit Ethernet 2, so you can connect for this router to the server. Okay, already. Okay, we see the all of this area. Yes, it's like that. This the area 1, and then the right side area 2. Okay, for the first, we configuration the switch here. For the switch, yeah, you can configuration. The first is the host name is switch 1 in the area 1, and first is for the all interface range platform 1. Sorry. First we make a VLAN 10 for the in the top PC, and VLAN 20 is for the under PC on the side down, and then we'll make access mode for all PC start from fast Ethernet 1 until 4. But for the interface range FA 1 until 2, you should connect mode access VLAN 10, and for the interface 3 until 4, you make the mode access VLAN 20. And after that, you make for interface gigabit 1. Sorry. Wait. What is something wrong? Gigabit Ethernet. You make the switch port model trunk. And after this, for all interface, you make spanning tree. Okay. We make the first for the interface range FA. Wait. Just for FA1, you make the spanning tree, for fast. So the router 2, you make the spanning tree for fast. Also the fast 3, the fast 4, spanning tree for fast. And for the next, we go to the we make SSH and telnet. For the first is the username. For the username is IDN. Is for the password for the and then line VT. Line VT is the number for limit during the user can access switch using telnet. And then after this, you can do login local and enable password is 456. Okay, go to yes. For the next, we do the SSH, or maybe for the simple, you can using telnet but with the low security encryption. Okay, and maybe I will only show the configuration like that in the switch right side in the area 2. And okay, we go to the this switch. I'm already make the host name, and so VLAN is VLAN 30 and then 40, and then yes, this um enter the interface to mod access also mod track, and then use spanning tree portfolios again. And for the last is already all included the spanning tree portfolios. The last is you use telnet protocol again. Okay, and then uh, for the next part, bye. I want to explain you show the configuration uh, router the router which the content first is IP address DHCP pool for router 1 and router 4, and then root RIP. I use RIP for roots before. I include maybe like AC access list or something like that. For the first, I will show you guys the configuration and the this router. The first is the hostname, and then for the interface gigabit Ethernet 0, you connect to the router 2 with this address. And then for the interface gigabit 1, You need to sit down first to mod on router. If after that you use add number for VLAN, and don't forget using encapsulation.1q, and also the VLAN number and IP address. Same for the VLAN 20. And after you make the FTDHCP pool for the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Don't forget to include the network and then default router, also the DNS server. Connect to this server. And after that, you make the RIP route included the network for end device and for the router second. Okay, we will next to the router 2. The interface gigabit 0 connect to the router 1, and then don't forget no shutdown, and then from interface gigabit 1 connect to the router 3 in the area 2. And yes, simple. In this router we not enter the or make configuration for DHCP pool, but yeah, only RIP connect the network, the connect to the router 1, the router 2. After that, go to the router 3 in the area 2. You can see here the interface gigabit 0 is connected to the router 4 in the same area. The interface gigabit 1 connected to the router 2 in the area 1. And also you make interface gigabit gigabit, yeah, the gigabit 2 IP connected server is exclusive for the server. And don't forget, make the root RIP. Okay, we go to the last router. Here, you make configuration same as router 1. And for interface gigabit 0, disconnect the router 3. And after that, for the interface gigabit 1, you need shutdown first and then make again with the in the last you include the VLAN and then encapsulation.1q and make the IPDHCP full like the router 1 and router IP. This the network for the end device and then the network disconnect to the router 3. And we will check the IPDHCP here already configuration in the router to the PC 1 until 4 in the area 2 is completed, connected from static already. And here for the PC 3 and PC 4 in the area 2. And this for the router 1 and the 4 in the area 1 already successful all. And after that we make the IP static in the server 1. This IP is the default gateway. So guys, we already make 5 sorry, we go to the logical and we already make, yeah, first we done first root RIP, so the access list. After this, before that, let's we see here for IP root already connect all this, all the network. The C is connected and the L is local and the R is running total. And we check in the router 2 Connect all interface, all IP address, show IP route in the, oh, sorry. Yes, this for the router 3, and then go to the last router in the area to connect all. And after this, we how to make the router 4 can communication, and then the router 1 in the area 1 cannot ping to the server but can access. Okay, in the router list we make access list, and I will show you configuration here. Access list or deny. First, come to the gigabit internet. But I will change here, or maybe we make this for access group out. We will use this. Just come to the router. Okay, I will show to you this to the router. And wait, still successful. Okay, also you can hear this the router with this server, and it's valid. Okay, we already make the 5 root. Uh, yes, 5, and in the physical again in the server, I will make like the head FTP, something like that. I will show the configuration is in the router. Okay, you go to the server first. Service, you can make the FTP with the new username, this password. I make this, and then this for the access optional. I only choose the right, and then you can go to the HTTP and edit the index HTML, and you can and here I change this the before Cisco Pocket Tracer, and this welcome to Cisco. I change the text. Okay, and I make the IP not dynamic map here in the router 2 for, yeah, connecting to the server. Here, try first. Okay, and do show translation. Okay, what is right? It's like that for the IP NAT. So if the traffic start from here and go to this server, it will be right as IP public. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.